Hey, welcome back for color of the day, July 30th, yes. All right, so this one is the the Touch Mineral Liquid Foundation in Scarlet. Ta-da. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like just on the back of my hand here. So it's a little dropper, like that. Okay. And this is the lightest liquid foundation available. It's actually my shade. There you go. It offers light to medium coverage. It is buildable and it is also really soft. Like, you wear it and it doesn't feel like you're wearing any makeup at all. So yes. All right, you guys, so if you're interested in your very own liquid foundation, and you'd like to get color matched, send me a message. If you already know what shade you are, or if we've already talked in the past, go ahead and visit my website. If you're here on YouTube, the link will be in the description. Once on the website, go to shop, then select face and scroll down to Touch Mineral Liquid Foundation. I'll see you guys later. Bye.